Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling an oscillation mechanism. Let's start quickly. In a new part in front plane, I open a new sketch and I start with my lines. Basically I will start to draw half of it and then mirror it. This 2 is going to be equal. We can mirror it. This dimension 150 millimeter. This dimension 250 millimeter. As you see, whole sketch is black. We can continue to next step to make extrude with a line. To inner, we are going to create 15 tick and 40 millimeter wide. Corner is going to be reduced 20 by 20 inside and ultimately out is 35. Yes, and then we are going to put on the edges some radius 5 millimeter. That's ready. On the side I'm going to create in the middle a circle which is 55 millimeter, going to be extended 10 millimeter this surface. The second direction 15 already thickness of material. I want to make a 10 millimeter bow from both sides equal. Then here is 25 and this is done. Just we are making a mirror here, adding some radius on the corner 3 millimeter, oh 3 not 30. Yes, chamfer we added, by the way. I was thinking this is a cast iron part, that's why chamfer is not possible. Radius always better for production in the cast iron. 55 diameter. We want 10 millimeter from the surface and same 25 bottom. This is also ready. I took fillet on the desired edges. We are adding our 3 millimeter radius. On the surface we are going to create a 25 millimeter diameter and cut through all. And then here we create diameter 20. The most important part is now ready, in fact. We can add here some chamfers. If you have surface machines, then there will be a chamfer always. And we save it, and I'm creating new folder. A1, let's say, and A1, the main part. We keep it here. And the second, we go create a radius, a circle also here. We just go connect both center. This is 75 millimeter, this is 50, this is 35, and a line with control button. We just adding tangency relation. With trim we just press and send unnecessary sides, and this is going to be mirrored at the other side, and unnecessary area again goes here 20, here 25 millimeter, 20, 25 millimeter. Yes, we make it 10 tick. On this edge we just go create 125 and converting this line 10 mm like this. Yes, the second part is ready. Here 1 mm chamfer, outer surface is 3 mm radius. Yes, and here also 3 mm. Yeah, the name of this A2. A1, A2. Yes. Now we create a 25 mm diameter axle. The dimension will be 350. With chamfer, I just click on surface and add 1 mm on both sides. The chamfer, because when you select the surface, the related edges automatically the radius added. The chamfer, sorry. A4. We say now I'm going to copy A2 on the edge on the my file. I'm going to make A3 and open it, because in the A3 only the difference is the axis. This is going to be 65. Yes. Now I can in fact create an assembly and start to show you the main idea. A1 was main part, A2 was side brackets, A3 on the top, and A4 is the axle here. A4. Yes, we took everything in the assembly area. We just added here a sketch relation, a mate. If you click a rounded surface and with alter button on the keyboard, you can automatically add relations. I just made coincident on the surface, and I just take one more time A2 and a little bit rotating that and adding I have so less battery. Sorry. Yes. Yes, and then we're adding this relation, this surface to this surface, and this surface going to be, this two surface going to be equal, and this will be on the top area. Yes, and connected to this surface. Yes, and now we will have here axle again. I'm going to measure the surface, 180 mm long axle, diameter was 20, and then we just go create diameter 20, 180 mm on both sides, 1 mm chamfer. A5. and I'm not closing it, and I'm just going to bring it A5 here. Yes, A5 here. Let me just go connect with mates. Here also we connect. Now we can start to give some different colors. This body is yellow. This guy is this color, and main body is something's warm, and axle is here going to be this color, and this part going to be a color with green, let's say. Yes, the last part that I should create, here going to be a bush with a pin on it. We know in our diameter 20 by 30, 20 by 30, and the width is 35. Out some 3mm radius, inner 1mm, and on top plane I'm opening a sketch, and here creating a 20 diameter circle, and 35 I just make offset 10mm bow, we say 11. Yes, we need something like that. Yes, A6, and the last part we are just going to add it. A6 I took and give a mate here, and then connecting on this edge. Now I realize our pin little bit is short, and then we can just open this part and making a edit 50 or 60mm. Let's make sure. We will see when you, as you see, we have a little bit of problem when we are turning. It is touching here. I think it should be around 10mm smaller. Yes. Yeah. Now we are having a problem of here getting short. Then we are going to increase this thickness, and let's make it 20. Now we're going to be inside of range. It is not completely going out. Yeah, it is not bad. It is just an example, it's not a production model. That's why I will not go so much into details. But the only thing that we should do here, creating some keyways that we are seeing our axle is moving. It's a oscillation move. We should see that. And I create here a line. The line QA 8mm, and this let's make this 20, from beginning 10, and from this surface I'm going to 8mm way, and I want to see where the keyway is located now, in which surface. It is located in a wrong area. Then the easiest thing is going back and editing sketch, and instead of making 10 here, we just going to move it to the area where we want to see. This is 15, let's leave it like that. And last operation, yes, it is almost here because there is no any keyway on the bodies and we don't see them. The first thing here, we just go create on this area a keyway which is 6mm high and 32mm wide. All these keyway dimensions are the standard dimensions. Just now giving you random dimension. According to the axle diameter and hole diameter, you have standard dimensions. Normally we are not giving these things from our mind. Now we are going to measure where the other keyways is going to be placed. From here to here 35, and from 35 to here 20. Then we just go add 35 to 20. Yes, 8mm. With shift button I'm making 35. From again with shift, clicking this radius and this radius, this is 20. We can make it mirror. Yes, turn a little bit, and here to there it is parallel. Now when I move it, you are going to see. And the second is from beginning for the second keyway position, 215mm and then 20. We are just going to edit this sketch. 215, I think we said 8 with shift from out 20, and from here to here 211, if I'm going to be right, I'm thinking, but I will check it. I think we must go 5mm, 4mm further. Two, 1, 5, and then we will be finishing our model. Exactly. Now I'm going to give here the basic motion animation to see what's happening. We are going to choose an engine on this circular surface, not so important, and calculating. We can make slow motion and again checking. It is a really nice model. Yeah, I like this kind of mechanisms. I hope also you are enjoying and you have learned something from this video. This is not something for production, this is just a kind of presentation of an idea in a production way. Everything here will be different till the radiuses or how we are going to couple and keep on place these axles. I'm not going to into so much details. Maybe one day I can make a full production modeling. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please press like button and make comment.